The theme for this month's kids cooking class is sensational soups. So to help you prepare if you haven't purchased one of our recipe kits, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy vegetable scrap stock. Stock or broth is the base of any great soup, and you can make it by saving vegetable scraps and peels that you probably would have thrown out otherwise. Here's how to make it. I'll write today's date on this bag and start saving or filling it with all of my veggie scraps. So I have some onion paper, carrot peels and tops, and some celery peels that I'll just add to my bag. Next, I have some bay leaves, some sad looking chives that I found in the back of my fridge, some garlic peels, some parsley, some sage, some thyme stems, and some peppercorns. We don't want to season our veggie stock with salt because we want to be able to control that later. I'll seal it and keep it in the freezer until the bag is completely full. When my freezer bag is full, I'll add it to a large pot and then cover it with cold water. Turn it on to medium heat and boil it for half an hour. And that's it, our super easy, super fast vegetable scrap stock. Stay tuned to see what recipes we'll be making with this stock. And remember, it's not too late to check out our website and purchase our recipe kits for you to follow along easily at home.